So when I pull this trick off with the hair clips, I see a lot of people in the comments say that there's someone standing behind the clamp with the key. So I thought I'd film a video showing you what it actually looks like for the side. The answer is you don't actually need anybody, because this lock is so crap, so bad, that all you need is a quick flick of your fingers, and there you go. It's open. The manufacturing of this lock is terrible. There's no security pins in this lock, and the bitting is completely flat. So using a hair clip, you can easily push this lock open. Sorry folks, no tricks here.